Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gloryfamilylove. If this is your first time of coming across our video, welcome and thank you for joining the family. Today I'm just taking a walk around the neighborhood, and I thought twice to show you guys and talk to you guys as well. And at the end of this video I will be addressing something that has been bothering me for days, about a news I heard yesterday and today. Come on, mommy. So guys, I'm going with Princess. She said I should stand up for her, and that's Princess. Princess, say hello. Say hello guys. So that's her outfit, and that's Jason. Abraham, come say hello. Yeah, say hello. Say hello. He's looking at cars. Brian is so, I don't know, he loves cars, bikes, I don't know what he sees. We're on our way there right now, and no, Princess, come on. Princess is going to the road. We are going there. Bobby is around today, and we are going together. We will just be showing you guys and just take you guys along. If there is anything, I will talk to you guys. Okay, keep watching, and thank you. Hello guys, this is the park we came to, and yeah, we've been here for a while, and I was filming some TikTok videos. Guys, if you're not following me on TikTok, please go follow your girl, okay? I'm gradually getting used to TikTok, and yeah, so we're here, and suddenly became cold because everywhere was kind of hot when we came out. Not even kind of, it was very hot when we came out. And yeah, thank God the kids are wearing pullover, but I am feeling cold. Thank God I'm holding this scarf. And yeah, European weather is always not predictable. So this is what this is where we are right now, and Hubby is there giving these kids some sweets. That's Brian. He wants some sweet. Brian, say hello. 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 With a frowning face. Princess, say hello. Hello. Princess was feeling cold. Thank God I was holding this extra pullover, and I was even like, what's this pullover doing in the stroller? But it became useful to us because she was feeling cold, and I had to put it on for her. She's still shaking. Mama, her hair is getting old. I'll soon do a wash. Our wash day will be Saturday, which is tomorrow, and yeah, maybe I'll be posting this video today. Okay, I want to try my best to upload, but guys, sometimes you're overwhelmed with the stress, okay, and you can't just do anything. So this is Jason. They have been playing with the kids who are playing football here. They were watching them playing, and it's cold now, and we need to get going. We need to get going. Honey, say hello to your long-time subscribers that you've abandoned. So guys, yeah, we are on our way. We are on our way right now. Princess, say hello one more time. She likes the camera. But for Brian, I can vlog without like you guys seeing Brian in 2 vlogs. But you see Princess and Jason, oh, they love to be in the camera all the time. So guys, thank God I have some sweets in my bag, and they ate almost all of them. Kids with candy, they never get tired, because during this Easter, oh my God, we got a lot of Easter gifts already, and Easter is not even here. From families, from friends, from anywhere you go, neighbors, in fact, if you go to church, anywhere, they will just be giving the gifts, chocolate. They've eaten a lot of them, and they're still not tired. So guys, we are going home, and I'm going to end the vlog in the house, and yeah, so see you guys. was the washing machine. I'm trying to do some laundry while the kids are sleeping. Yeah, that was what I was talking about before. So guys, I have 2 laundries more to do after this, and then I'll go do some dishes, slice some fruit for their breakfast tomorrow morning. So guys, keep watching. Welcome back, and as you can see, my eyes I'm feeling sleepy already. I was almost falling asleep before I remembered that I haven't ended the vlog, so I decided to end it real quick before going to bed, because I'm trying to do some things while the kids are asleep, like doing some laundry, because everywhere is quiet now. And yeah, I'm doing some laundry and cleaning, doing some little cleaning, I guess tomorrow. Then I'll wash some dishes that we used for dinner. Yeah, then I remember that I didn't end the vlog. So guys, we got home and the kids are sleeping already. The time is past 10 right now, or I think past 10 or 11. It should be past 10. Let me look at the time. It's past 10, 15 minutes past 10. So, and yeah, I wanted to say something before. I told you guys I was going to be saying something at the end of the video. It's concerning the people who this demonetization have affected, and the people who their Google has sent have been disabled. If it has touched people who are close, people who are not close, even the ones I do not know. And yeah, I just want to say it's not anyone's fault, and you should take things easy. Don't be hard on yourself. Even me, I was kind of worried. I was like, is this something for everybody? Is it that YouTube want to disable every YouTube channel? I was worried. I just had it in mind to talk about this, to tell those who is affected to not worry, just keep working, keep uploading your videos as usual, and just do your best and leave the rest, okay? I know that some people will just be beating up themselves, like, oh my God, for not the hard work. I know. Every content creator know how the suffering, the struggle, in fact, the hustle of getting 1K subscriber and that 4K watch hour. It's not easy. And I pray God that God replenish all that you've lost for all of my friends and those who I do not know who it has affected. I wish I can change anything, but I really feel bad. It feels like it happened to me, because the struggle of most of them, I was part of their struggle, and they were part of my struggle as well, and we were part of each other's success. So it really hit me hard for since yesterday or a day before that I heard the news. I haven't gotten hold of myself. I have been thinking, I have been scared. It's like I'm walking on eggshells because I don't know. I am just like, how would they feel? And God, I don't know. But I pray that you guys find the strength and just upload your videos. This is a lesson for all of us. And yeah, nothing anyone can do. It's affected me as well. So you guys, I pray that God comfort you with something else, or YouTube just change it and change their mind. And I just pray that something good comes up along the way. Okay, just keep praying, keep uploading your videos. There is nothing God cannot do. So that's it for today. And you guys notice I didn't vlog while coming back much because Princess was feeling cold and she slept a little bit, and when she woke up she was just crying and she wanted to be in my hands. And yeah, and Brian as well was just straight at home, and yeah, you know, kids. So that's why I could not vlog much, and I hope you enjoyed this my little vlog. And I will be giving you guys much of this anytime I'm going out or I'm in the house, and I will just make you guys to spend the day with us, let you know what we are doing, one or two. Okay guys, thank you so much. God bless you all and stay blessed. Good night. Bye bye.